So you can see that I have a video right here. So if I were to go ahead and open it, you can see that I have a video tutorial right here along with the audio. So if I want to extract out the audio from this file, what I can actually do is I can go ahead and bring it out over here onto Adobe Media Encoder. Once I go ahead and do that, you can see that I have this particular file right here at the end. I have this file. Let me just go ahead and remove it out right here. So everything else is processed, so that does not really matter now. So this is the file that I have. So let's say I want to extract out audio out of this particular video file. So for that, you can go ahead and expand this out and select out an audio file format. For example, you can go for MP3 right here, just like this, or you can go for waveform audio right here, just like this as well. So you can choose the audio files that you have. You can also go ahead and then export out AAC audio right here as well. So now over here you can choose a stereo AAC right here, which is lower quality 128 kbps, or 256, which is a higher bitrate audio quality. So you can choose the one you want, and then let's say for example I'm going to go around over here onto my desktop and then hit the play button. Once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that it goes ahead and exports out that audio file, and then this is what you have right here, just like this. So if I were to actually go ahead right here and play this with VLC Media Player, let's say for example right here, then now you only have the audio file right here and no video file. And that is how you can go ahead and then export out audio only file in Adobe Media Encoder. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.